All right, we got about 17 days to go before June 1st. That is when the pre-launch is over with Save Club, okay? So if you've been following my channel just about every day, all right, I just encourage you, if you're interested in joining, you need to do it now, okay? Normally when I do business, when I do video, God, I've done about 4,000 videos just in the last 2 years. I always encourage you just to take your time, okay? And I still do in some ways with Save Club, but in this case, it only takes a couple hours to decide if you're in or out, okay? When you look at the background, the pay plan, the opportunity, what the product and services are, I think it's a no-brainer. I think it don't take more than really watching a couple videos that I can suggest you watch, okay? So within an hour or so, when I sit back, I think Save Club, it's worth it. Is the juice worth the squeeze, or is the squeeze worth the juice? You know what? Just go like this. Just don't do this in public, or you might have to go to jail, okay? But for three $20 bills, okay, we're talking $60, guys. And then $20 a month minus 3 pennies. Okay, you are a member of Save Club. Okay, you're going to have a lot of savings, and over the next 3, 6, 9 months, there's going to be eventually over 1 to 2 million products and services worldwide, all within Save Club. This is not Groupon or Happenings books, where it's more local or just kind of general. And then everything, of course, just expires. Okay, we've got billion-dollar businesses already on board. Fortune 500, Fortune 100, Fortune 50. Okay, when I say that, these are companies that are as big as you can get. They realize that through membership, they don't have to spend millions and billions on celebrities that no one gives a rat's ass about, or maybe advertising on the side of buses, blimps, or barbecue sets, who knows what. Butt cheeks, okay? If you want to put your ad on probably, I don't know, some butt cheeks, I'll probably look at them as long as they're hot little cute girls, of course. I don't know if I'd be looking at a guy named Bob's ass as he's advertising, I don't know, barbecues, I guess. Barbecue Bob with his buns. But I like saving money. Okay, the very first month I saved $700. Tires, mattress, car shows, couple occasional whoops, maybe a burger or so at that place called Burger King. All right, but there's going to be quite a substantial amount of savings just on the club side. Okay, for $20 a month. I can't imagine you, and this is my opinion. Okay, disclaimer. But if you go ahead and do the $20 membership, if you can't find $50 to $100 of savings, I'd be really surprised. Mostly here in America now, because obviously this is an American-based company, but we're already going to be in Malaysia, China, Singapore, Philippines, everywhere, guys. This is going to be going north to Canada, down below in Mexico, okay? The world, a worldwide savings club, okay, with an affiliate division. So for $60, you are an affiliate, okay? For that $20, you got to be an active member. All right, so do you have $80 right now? I'm sure you do if you're looking to join a business. Where else can you get your own website, your own capture page, where you can just invite people to watch a video by our CEO, Michael Moy? Charles Moy. I keep calling him Michael. Sorry, Charles. Let Charles do the heavy lifting if you don't want to do a video like this. Because most people hate video. They don't want to do it. They hate their looks, their face, their man boobs, their tired looking, their receding hairline. I just wear a hat, wear glasses, and then kind of wear baggy shirts. All right. If man boobs stick out, then I'll probably find a bra that's on sale at Walmart because they're inside the Save Club. Okay. But $80, you're in the business, but you have to join now. All right. During pre-launch, we have thousands of people a day signing up. By June 1st, ready, set, go, planet Earth. Sure, there's some leaks about this, but it's mostly affiliate to affiliate. I'm a pretty darn good affiliate. Over the last 2 years, I've learned a lot about business and about businesses that really kick ass, that are affiliate based. There's a lot of businesses that try and, bless their hearts. Nothing's cooler than at least having the balls to try to come up with your own business plan, product, service, okay? And just try to sell it on your own. And when you become an affiliate, you think, okay, I'll give a little bit of money to Cory or you if we are cheerleaders. We make videos, we post on social media, we just do stuff like, hey, look into this. Just click this link, watch this video. And if you like what you see, you know what? Go ahead and join. And Cory, I'm going to give you a commission. Thank you. Because now we have one more member of Save Club. And the more people we have, we can present to these, small little mom and pop places. Okay, local, smaller places are already, even in Utah where I live. My friend's tanning salon is already in Save Club, which is so cool. I'm very excited for her and her hubby. And of course, there's big businesses like Lyft and hotels, flights, Disneyland, Disney World, Universal Studios, Lowe's, Walmart. I could go on and on to the break of dawn. Okay, but it's nice to know you can save money on just a small little business. And if you go there every month, good, because I love small businesses. I really look up to people that try to at least own their own business at least once or twice in their lives. Sometimes you got to try 3, 4, 5 times. And if you fail, so what? As long as you can at least recover mentally and you're not going to wipe out your savings and put your family or your well-being in jeopardy, okay, good for you. All right, I've made money, I've lost money. I've made money, I've lost money. And you know what? As I sit here this morning on this fine day in good old Utah, no one gives a rat's ass. Okay, I'm going to get up, put my right foot, my left foot right in front. And right now I'm sitting here just doing this. I'm doing like disco moves, guys. All right, look, I'm break dancing. Okay, I'm gonna survive. Okay, I'm a big fan of people that at least try. And if you fail, you know what? Fail forward then. Okay, don't fall backwards. All right, sure, go feel depressed. Go do what you got to do. Get a box of Kleenex and stuff. But let's get you in the right direction on a business that's legit, that's really hauling ass right now. It is Save Club. I need you to go to ilovesaveclub.com. Watch that little video. Do all the research you can. Please, if you go to YouTube and you see like, oh, is it legit? Is it a scam? Oh my gosh, it's just a piece of poop. You know what? We're brand new. We've signed up thousands and thousands of people. Already paid out well over 200 grand in commissions just the first 2 weeks. Okay? And this is a company based on saving money with billion-dollar companies. This is not a cash grab. This is $20 a month. It's a $60 one time and it's an annual fee. Every year we need to pay $60 for a brand new, badass, juicy, yummy, thick and meaty website that kicks ass. Okay? Everything's configured for you. We have crypto. Okay? Which is a pain in the ass to get your crypto account and pay with crypto, but you know what? It's safe as a mofo. We have the biggest and the best cryptocurrency companies that will accept your payment. China and Malaysia, Philippines, right here in Salt Lake City. We have cryptocurrency ATM type machines where you just go in and turn your crypto into American cash and then go to Subway and save on a sandwich. They are in Save Club. Okay. We, of course, I belong to a bank. So when I joined, all right, I just configured my bank. So when pay comes in every Friday, by the way, it just, boom, I can shoot it right over to my bank. We even have a debit card coming out. So if you want to go ahead and just carry a Save Club debit card, you can go ahead and just transfer that money to your card and go pay for gasoline. Go to Walmart. I'm speaking as an American here. Go down to Discount Tire. Maybe you have to have that darn Whopper cheeseburger. You know it's bad for you. But you know what? So's getting up and doing exercise. You get ran over by a hippopotamus. That happens every day probably, wherever hippos are. You're just running down the road and a hippo, have you seen how fast they run? They weigh like 50,000 pounds and you can't outrun a hippo. Not unless you're in the Olympics. Okay, I'm just going to stay right here in Utah. If I get killed by a hippo, I'm going to be pissed off. I'm just going to be embarrassed and then I'm going to be pissed off. And my obituary should be really funny. He got killed by a hippo. But you know what? At least he was saving money because he bought track shoes at Walmart before the hippo decided to school his little rock and roll ass dressed in yeller. Okay? All right, guys, you need to join now. We're in pre-launch phase. It's when big downlines are built. If you just go to the history of when there are downlines, you're forming teams. Okay, you find something that's hot. Why is Save Club hot? It's just perfect timing, that's all. We don't need to over-analyze and be anal while analyzing. Okay? People want to save money. They don't want to deal with tariffs, good, bad, or ugly. Okay? They don't want to deal with shampoo and conditioner that's $80, what probably costs $5. It probably costs $2 to make. We are not MLM. You do not buy a bunch of crap to go pretend to sell, and if you're caught selling it, you get kicked out of the company. This is just a good old-fashioned savings club. You got $20, you're in. $60, pay for it, get the website, okay, and do what I do. Invite people to a link. That's all you got to do. Watch this. You see that thing right there in the middle of my screen? ilovesaveclub.com. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to go to a capture page. Do you want to see what it looks like? Let me just show you. How about I just type it? ilovesaveclub.com. There it is, guys. I invite you to this page. And if you join as an affiliate, you're going to have the same page. See where it says Cory Draper site? You can put whatever you want. All right, whatever you want there, a business or just your own name. Here's that video of Charles Moy. Let our CEO talk about this opportunity. I think it's about 6 minutes. It goes through pay plan and opportunity and everything. So if you don't want to do video, please use this one. Our company has videos coming out, graphics, small little videos that you can post on social media that are fun. They get attention. And then do your best just to have a link. And in my case, there it is, guys. ilovesaveclub.com. I have people click that. They go to this page, and then guess what? They put their contact information here. You click that orange button. Then you're going to get an email. It's a Save Club email. Open it up to join. Or just every day, keep the email. You get one a day for 30 days. Keep them because if you join, they're great to learn off of. You can learn a lot from the company emails, so do not delete them. Save them. Just open up a little folder if you have Gmail. All right? Save Club emails. Save them. Read them. Use them. Okay? You're going to love it. We have AI technology soon. Okay? I'll get into that in another video. This video, I'm trying to keep it 15 minutes. All right? But we have the best AI technology. And guess how much it's going to cost you? You just got to join. We want you to use AI technology to help you write stuff, to help you convert languages. Because right now, I'm born and raised in Santa Barbara. I live in beautiful Utah. But guess what? I have people in China and Africa and Malaysia. All right? Every country that ends in A. Alabama. Okay? But I don't know how to speak anything except 5 words in Spanish. That's it. Sí, señorita, casa del sol. I don't know anything about Spanish, but you know what? With AI technology, I can do a video like this, and I can go ahead and use the nice just products and services that we're going to have in our back office, our promo material, whatever you want to call it, to help you get signups all over the world. We are not a company that just focuses like Groupon in a 5-mile circle, and those are awesome opportunities because most people do shop within a 5 to 10 mile circle. Okay? Well, not Save Club. I want people in Japan, Malaysia. I want New Zealand, New Guinea. I want down below to Africa and Australia, and then shoot on over to Brazil. Where the hell's that Venezuela at anyway? Okay? I still don't know where Greenland and Iceland are. I know one's real big and the other one's not. Okay? But good things are coming, but you have to join now. Now is when the larger, bigger, thicker downline and teams are going to be made because no one has joined yet. Sure, we have 1,000 people a day joining right now, but you need to get in while the getting is good. We are fresh, young, and yummy. Okay? And I couldn't be more serious. Some real big shots in the business. It's not that they've secretly joined, but they've signed up. They don't want anyone to know, and they put a different name than like Cory Draper. I'm proud to put my name on everything I do. I don't hide behind any business. Okay, right now I think I'm number 9 in the world right now as far as overall signups. I'm really proud of this, okay, guys? And I want you to do the same. So when I type into Save Club, you can see this is just I got to log in, it looks like here. All right, let me do my little login. And here's our website. $60. Everything is done. Homepage, what's my membership? All right, sign up for the month or the year. It's up to you. If you sign up for the year, it's VIP. You make more commissions. I highly suggest you sign up for the year. My deals, click that link And even when you have a runny nose like I do right now from allergies, go in there, type search, go in all over the world. Just put in your zip code. I put in Salt Lake. Look at this. There's just thousands. I could be here for 5 hours. I always love to use Burger King. I'm going to go to Burger King and get a Whopper in my new Ford truck so I can save $4,900. Then go to Popeyes and get real fat for dinner. All right. And then I need to, I don't know, maybe go to Home Depot and build a deck so I can put gym equipment on it. Okay. But it's a lot of fun just going through all the deals. All right. Order history, anything you purchase. Right now, the only thing I bought is a month membership, and then I upgraded to the year. My team, awesome. I've got a lot of people. I got over 100 people in my team right now. So thank you if you've joined. My enroller. All right, here's leaderboard. Let's see where I'm at this morning. This is my first video of the day. All right, where am I? Oh my God, 69. Look at that. I'm number 9 in the world, and I'm number 69. That is the funniest number ever if you're a pervert like me. All right, well, I'm 69. I'm pretty happy with that. I am going to be bummed, though, when I get number 70, because I think 69 is kind of funny. All right, and if you want to contact the company, go ahead and contact them. You don't have to be a member. Support@saveclub.com. And if you want to know about the pay plan, I'm not going to sit here and talk about it. There's 5 ways to get paid, and it's awesome. All right, it's awesome. Thousands and thousands a week I've been making already, and I'm only on week number 3. Okay, see this up here? It says saveclub.com/pay plan. Go ahead and just type that link in. All right, and then go ahead. There you go, guys. 5 ways. Just read about it. And then soon at the very bottom of this page, we're going to put a really nice YouTube video that explains it better anyway. Because when you talk about comp plans or pay plans, nothing's more boring. Just do it on your own. But it's awesome, guys. If you sign up today with me, I make $20 to $32, and then the matching bonus out of the hundreds and thousands of people I'm going to have in my group to make matching bonuses on everybody's efforts. Man, and if you can join now and start building with my team, I'll help you. All right, I'm not shy, guys. I'll do whatever I can to give you ideas, and you guys figure out what you can do. Make it fun. All right. And we'll figure it out. Don't worry about it. Okay? Because if you make money, I make money. And if I make money, there's spillover. All right? Read about it on the pay plan. Remember, saveclub.com/pay plan. All right, guys. Let's all just start from the beginning. I love saveclub.com. Okay? You need to go there. If you need something, Cory@corydraper.com. I've had the same email 35, 40 years, guys. Ever since emails came out custom, I bought it. So go ahead, Cory@corydraper.com. If I'm on Facebook, go ahead and inbox me there. Okay? I prefer to do everything on a home computer. I do not do text and squint. All right? I like where I can type. I sit here on my big screen, and if you inbox me or if you go ahead and email me, I can really haul some ass with these old fingers of mine, besides picking my nose and picking my butt and picking my ear. And I want to pick you to be on my team. Okay? I love saveclub.com. You got it. All right, guys, thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and let's meet again on my next video. All right, you take care. We'll see you soon.